Welcome, 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 welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome back, my returnees. But if you new, welcome to our crew. Hit that subscribe button, like and comment. I really appreciate it. Today we will be doing a customized cartoon character. As you can see here, I already did a couple. Right now, we are going to work on Angelica. I'm going to move these to the side. And the first thing you want to do is go to your internet browser. And you want to go to Google. Once you open up Google, you want to just type in whatever character you are wanting to do. For right now, I'm doing Angelica. So I'm just going to type in Angelica Rugrats coloring page. You will go through the images and find the one that you like. Once you find the image that you like, you will save it to your computer. And that's what I'm doing here, just searching for the one that I like. And I'm just going to go with a regular one at the top. I'm on the Mac, so I'm going to press Control and save to downloads. Once my image is saved, I'm going to go back to Silhouette Studios. That's what I'm using. I'm using Silhouette Studios. I'm going to go to File and Merge. Going to look for the image I just saved to my computer, and I'm going to merge it to Silhouette. Okay, once your image is in Silhouette, you want to get ready to trace the image, to remove the background and to get the trace area. You do that by going to the trace panel, which looks like a butterfly on the right hand side. You're going to then click on select trace area, and you're just going to draw a box around the area that you want to be traced. For me, it's Angelica, so I'm going to make sure the whole image is selected, and make sure you see the yellow around around all of the lines. I just go up a little in the threshold to make sure every line is selected. And then you just want to click on trace. Once the image is traced, you can go ahead and remove the original image, and now you are left with just the trace. Once you are done with that part, you're going to I'm on the Mac, so I'm going to press Control to open up the panel to release compound path. Again, that is Control and click to release compound path. Once you release the path, now you are able to customize this image. We're first going to start off by selecting the outline. So I'm just searching for the outline of the image so I can make the entire outline black. I have found it. Now I'm just going to change that color to black. And now it's going to be kind of hard to see the rest of the image, but you can see the red outline. I'm going to start on her face first. Let's zoom back in. I'm going to select her face and then go to my color palette and just change the color of her face, whatever color I like. Once that is done, I'm going to start doing the black outline of her mouth. I'm going to next do her tongue. I'm going to make that the color pink. And then like the back of her mouth, I made red. I'm also going to make her teeth red, but you'll see later on in the video that I noticed that was her teeth. And I'm actually going to go back and change that to white later. Next, I'm just going to work on her eyes. And this is where you just do what you like, whatever you like to see. So I'm just gonna speed this up a little, and I'll be back once I get to the customization of the clothing. Okay, I have um I have completed majority of this character so far. I just wanted to come back to let you guys um know what I'm doing here. You may notice that there's like some white space left over that shouldn't be in the image. So what I am doing, I'm selecting that white piece, and then I am selecting my black outline. I'm going to go to modify, and then I'm going to subtract. And then that makes it a negative space because that space wasn't supposed to be there. And I'm just highlighting everything to move it to the side to show you guys that it's been removed. And I noticed that it's still a little piece on her, on the other side of her. So I'm going to do the same thing. Select that piece that needs to be subtracted. Select my black outline. I'm making it white so you can see it. So I'm selecting that piece, then selecting my black outline, and then going to my modify panel and clicking subtract to remove that piece that I do not need to make it a negative space. Now we're going to customize her dress, bows, and shoes. I already have my image here, but to show you guys how to get it, you want to go to Google and just type in whatever pattern you are looking for. For me, I did the Burberry pattern, so I just typed in Burberry pattern. That's it. Once you see the pattern that you like, again, you're going to save that to your computer. You're going to save that image to your computer. Once your image is downloaded, same thing we did to bring in Angelica. We're going to go to File, Merge, bring in your pattern. Since I already have my pattern in, I am just going to send my image to the back, put it behind Angelica, and I'm going to select her dress and the pattern. Once both are selected, you then want to crop and watch the magic happen. And that is how you get the pattern that you want on your character. I'm going to do the same thing with the bows. I need to make a copy of this pattern so I can do the bow, actually. So I'm just pressing control and the right arrow to make a copy of it. And then I'm just going to do the steps over again. Select the dress, select the pattern, and crop. Once this is cropped, I'm going to move on to the hair bows and do the same thing. I'm going to move my pattern up, send to back. You want to make sure your image is selected, send to the back. And then I'm going to select each piece of the hair bow that I want the pattern on. So I'm just selecting the pieces And then I'm going to press crop. And that is the design. Now I'm just going to finish the rest of the character. Thank you all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And that is it. See you in my next video.